Hello everybody, this is Mr. Vaughn showing you how to make a Google graph or insert a Google graph into a Google Doc. So let's presume you've got a doc open, you figured out how to make tables. If you don't know, you go to insert and then table, and then you choose the size of your table. No chairs required, just the table. You take this table and you can either cut and paste it or copy and paste it, or you can just enter the data. So you've got your doc open, you've got a table there. Open up a spreadsheet. So you can just go to your Google Drive or Google Docs or however you like to get in there and do a Google Sheet. And here I could enter the data that I wanted to, or just copy and paste it. So let's go to copy and paste it. And just highlight that, Control C to copy it, and then you come back here and do Control C, and there it is. It does, I don't know why it did an extra row at the top, but I'm going to delete that one row. And then here, the easiest thing to do is to insert a column, because you want to tell the program what these things are. So in this particular case, these are the number of days that somebody worked, and this is how much money that they earned. Put capitals on those because those are going to be your labels on your axis. So once you have those things there, the labels for the information and the information, you can highlight it. Oh, by the way, you could also do this vertically, up and down, or you can do it horizontally, it doesn't matter. Once you have it highlighted, go to Insert, and Google calls it a chart instead of a graph. So click on Chart, and it's automatically going to put what kind of chart it thinks you want. In this case, this is a bar graph, and if you wanted a bar graph, there you would go, it would be there. But we're going to change it to a line graph. So here, over here where I'm pointing is column chart, and we're going to go down to line graph, and there is your line graph. You can make it any size you want. Check it to make sure it has a title, money earned versus days. It's got labels on the y-axis and the x-axis. Those are all capitalized because they're your titles. And this one doesn't really necessarily need a key, but it has a key. So once you have that, you can copy it again with Control C, go back to your doc, and paste it in there. It doesn't need a link to the spreadsheet. That's if you're going to make changes on the spreadsheet and you want it to be reflected in the doc. So paste that on there, and boom, there you go. You can make it bigger, smaller, move it anywhere you'd like to on the doc. Okay, that is all for now.